Gosh, ayun na nga. Yun na yung tao. Oh my God, nagpa-practice na sila. Nakakatakot. Grabe, guys.
Hold the lower part of the door. Okay, and arm straight. But in the world in 1920, in Asia, we have the country Japan.
So, hi everyone, John Pakner here. And today is Thursday, November 28. And nandito kami ngayon sa first stop ng Cuchi Tunnel. Oh gosh, ayun na nga. Yun na yung tao. Oh my God, nagpa-practice na sila. Nakakatakot. May shooting range kasi. Ayan. OMG.
Color. Men normally use the green one because their mission in the daytime. Light green, that's in the village. Dustbin everywhere is empty. No tree, no human can live in this area. You can imagine. So with the soil, we fill the bomb crater. Try to keep distance with the flashlight. Turn on.
So just a quick trigger warning lang guys ha sa mga claustrophobic natin na kaibigan dyan. Talagang masikip siya sa ilalim guys, as in promise. And if may mga senior citizen kayo na kasama, I suggest na hindi na lang sila sumama sa ilalim kasi mahihirapan lang talaga sila. If may mga sakit kayo sa tuhod, sa likod, kung ayaw nyo ng mga masisikip, ayan, I do not suggest coming here. Pwede naman kayo maghintay na lang sa ibabaw. Grabe guys. Ayaw.
There's 8 from the tunnel you try. This about 20 to.
Ang amazing lang guys kasi ito palang bato na to. Ito yung parang ginawa nila para maging ventilation para sa ilalim. Hindi ko ma-explain yung nafe-feel ko right now kasi itong mismong lupa na inaapakan ko, I don't know kung anong history yung meron nito.
Letting our soldiers know this is a secret.
Dạ được ạ. Rồi mình có chuông ở đây. Mình chờ anh này, anh đi trước rồi tới mình. Đây mình qua đi với cửa tôm đây nè. Đây cửa tôm bên này.
And I'm straight.
Nhỏ này sát thương ra.
And bye bye. See you in Australia.
Xoay người lại, xoay người lại. Rồi đi thẳng cái đường nó thấy
Bye bye bạn nhé.
mình trồng qua hướng kia.
Ai đi lắp cái kia bảo.
Wow.
We have a beautiful girl from Philippines. We're gonna to try the secret entrance right there. Mabuhay. Alright, let's try it. Remember to arm straight.
Okay.
Woo! Nice. Hold the lower part of the door. Okay, and arm straight. Oh yeah. Where's she going?
It's pretty close. Yeah, pretty. Yeah, I was on. I was on Tanzania. It's 500
big is the tunnel?
It's like, as you said, like
Ooh, right here. I'm here. Wow.
it's probably, as you said, probably.
Very practical.
That's why I came in.
A psychological statics. We just come up randomly in a jungle and we make a sound. Yeah, only one ready season. Just like about 3-4 months. The rainwater wash away all of the Agent Orange away.
Okay.
But the effect of Agent Orange,
Rivers.
yeah, to the river. So right here we have a crate for the parachutes.
Okay.
They knew in these areas whenever they landed here, they didn't know.
Oh, that's sticks.
The spikes there.
Spikes
Oh.
to kill them.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not good.
That's the spice
That's
from
brutal.
the bamboo.
It's like they're ready to be buried.
Yeah, they get skewered.
It's good plan for you because when the soldier from opposite side and the south, they sneak inside the tunnel. They ask the question, where should we go?
At this point, parang second tunnel ko na to na pinasukan sa ilalim. And still the same drill. May mga makikipot, may mga maluluwag gaya neto. Ayan, parang bunker talaga.
Yes. Oh my lord. Oh. Show them. Oh. Should they move? Sure, sure. Sorry, whoever's behind me on slow.
It's okay.
And about Sugar Tree Bunker. This is not in the first level.
You wait, I've got little more to go one step more.
It's okay, take your time.
Level.
Sugar.
They will operate some heavy injury soldiers. And the activity must be underground in a safe bunker. But that time we didn't have the level to the second level by that long, but it's like around 5 to 7 meter heat. Mosquito. Yeah, malaria. Chicken size of mosquito could cause malaria. So the doctor is like 20 meters, but the tunnel for you to bend only about 5 to 7 meters. The rest of the road, that's in the meeting hall. Big. You want to try?
Ito yung pangatlong tunnel na binabaan ko, guys. Still the same, sobrang makahipot yung daan. Kailangan mo talagang mag-crawl down or umupo while walking. Parang magdadakwak ka para hindi mo mabangga or hindi ka masagi dun sa mga kasamahan mo na nandun din sa tunnel. Pag magkukuchi tunnels ka, guys, dapat matibay yung likod mo tsaka yung tuhod mo. Charing.
And right here, you can see on the wall, that's the two different flags. One here, that's the communist flag, communist party flag, and right there, the Liberation Front Army of the South Vietnam. Two color, the red color stand for the North Vietnam liberated in 1954, and the blue color stand for the South. Not yet. To the mission, make two color become one. All red. This is the symbol of the. So inside the tunnel system, that would be some trap, bamboo trap, the one you just saw outside. We use it here because only the enemy soldier we see would know where to go and where is the trap. So we set up it everywhere. Let me. You should take some sugar. It's sweeter.
Yeah, they're drying leaves as well.
Alam nyo guys, halo-halo yung nafe-feel ko dito kasi nga I'm stepping foot sa lupa that witnessed the history of the Vietnamese War. And then nakikita ko yung mga pamumuhay nila, kung paano sila dumiskarte para ma-survive nila at maprotektahan nila yung mga sarili nila. Iba talaga yung talino tsaka diskarte ng mga Vietnamese during the Vietnam War. Kaya nung nakarating ako dito sa Cu Chi Tunnels, parang wow, amazing talaga lahat ng mga strategies nila.
To show up where we went. Wrong way. We were backward.
Imagine ninyo guys, gumawa sila ng tsinelas tas sinusuot nila pa backwards para daw yung mga footprints nila pag makita ng kalaban, they will go the other way instead yung mismong daanan na kung direction na saan pupunta yung mga Vietnamese. O diba, sobrang tatalino nila. As in, talaga, parang out of this world yung mga diskarte.
So they're gonna ignore the big one. They just chase, follow the small one. Yeah, and they fell. Just keep rolling like this, and the spine hit this area, the chest and the back of the soldier. And this hit the face drop. They snap it. Hot. They took out. All the spine waiting for them. To their leg. Stop the movement. Stop moving. Put the spine. Hit straight to this area. Hit straight here. Trap. Sometimes window lead you to the heaven, but the door lead you to the hell. They stuck like this. Go on. Right here. We have durian trap. We hang it and a tree, and they stab in a rope. Fell. They're gonna die with that trap. You see, sharp spice. But in the war, this is not about a wood like this. This is a coconut tree. Coconut. Oh, fell. Right here. They die. The bomb that you saw on the documentary.
Hi everyone! So ngayon, kakarafting ko lang ng hotel. And sobrang gutom na ako kasi 2:30 something na kami ng hotel. And good thing, isa ako sa mga naunang na-pick up. And then isa din ako sa mga naunang i-drop off at the end of the tour. So ayan. Gusto ko sanang kumain ng buncha or other noodle soup, pero sobrang gutom na ako. So, it's a great thing na may malapit na mini stop or convenience store. As in, nasa harap lang talaga siya ng mismong hotel. So, it's so convenient. Or anyway, sobrang ganda ng location ng hotel. Nasa District 1 ako, guys. Kasi it's one of the cheapest ones I saw sa Agoda. Kain muna tayo, guys. Sobrang interesting talaga ng tour na yun, guys. Like, hindi ko talaga in-expect na na magagawa yun ng mga Vietnamese at that time. Kasi di ba walang technology, walang information. Parang wow, nakakabilib lang na they were able to protect themselves, protect their country, protect their land, protect their people, protect their loved ones and family, and themselves amidst the war with other countries, or especially the US. So, ayun, napaka-amazing lang. Especially yung concept ng underground or yung tunnel system nila. Sobrang amazing lang. Para talaga siyang bahay underneath. na may kitchen, may dining, may meeting room. Anyway, ang gagawin ko ngayon guys is after kong kumain, magnanap muna ako na very very light. Now it's alas 3 na. It's 3 p.m. So maybe I'll take a nap for like 2 hours and 30 minutes or 3 hours. And then plano ko magising ng 6 p.m. for dinner. And then tomorrow may another tour na naman ako, pero half day city tour siya. 7:30 na naman siya magsa-start guys. So I need to wake up so early. As early as 6 a.m. sana magising na ako, or maybe 5:30 a.m. para makaligo and everything. And then breakfast. Hindi ko na na-vlog yung breakfast guys kasi sobrang nagmamadali na ako and medyo hectic din kanina dun sa buffet kasi ang daming kumakain, tas ayoko namang, diba, while picking the food or getting my meals. Hi everyone, Jan Pacdinern here. And ayun na nga guys, ito lang yung sinasabi ko. Sabi ko sa inyo magnanap lang ako pero tulog talaga yung nangyari. So, nagising na ako ng siguro around 7 p.m. And then, nag-transfer lang ako ng ibang files. Then, ang gagawin ko ngayon is, lalabas ako and then pupunta sa isang parang malapit na food court dito sa hotel. Mga 5 minutes walk lang siya from here. So, yun yung pupuntahan ko today. So quick. Thank you.
I'm gonna choose the drink.
Okay. Thank you so much. Sobrang hangin ngayon guys. Ito daw yung coconut juice. Then yung mismong coconut ice cream. So excited. So, kakatapos ko lang kumain guys dun sa malapit na food court. Di ko alam kung paano i-pronounce yung name, pero isa-spell out ko na lang dito sa video. Ang hindi ko talaga bet, ang huge siguro difference ng city na to compared sa Hanoi is that, ewan ko ba, may mga eskinita. May mga eskinita dun sa unahan na I don't know, for some reason, madilim. So, I try to walk on roads or streets na, alam nyo, maliwanag. Ayan, cute-cute ng tables nila, guys. Though, marami lang ang basura. Ayan, so, kasalukuyan kong binabaybay yung daan patungo sa Akoya. And may malapit naman pala na banh mi place sa unahan, mga siguro 39,000 Vietnamese dong yung mismong banh mi. So, ayun. Pero, ang huge talaga ng difference kasi dun sa old quarter, dun sa Hanoi, parang wow, sobrang ganda ng energy ng mga tao doon, ng mga tindahan. Dito, paglabas mo puro ng mga stores, tsaka mga motor, tsaka grabe na talaga yung pagiging modernized nila. Yan yung view. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys na mini stop kaharap ng Akoya. Malalaman mo na nasa Akoya ka kasi laki ng sign, Akoya. Doon yung Cosmopolitan Hotel Kineme. And then, in the typical Vietnam Ho Chi Minh vibe, yung style ng mga hotel nila, parang yung entrance, parang dadaan ka muna ng, parang may hagdan. And then usually may mga tindahan dyan sa ilalim. And then dun ka papasok sa entrance. So, dito na side, medyo, na dito, parang medyo alive or nakita ako dito guys na hair washing 150,000 dong. Ano pa? Parang may mga facial massage eme-eme. Oh, cute na nga store. Sa-search ko muna kung saan pwedeng mamili or saan yung parang bilihan nila ng mga damit guys, tsaka mga pasalubong. Kasi for sure, dun sa Benton Market, medyo pricey na yun. For sure. Anyway, punta muna ako sa taas guys kasi I'll try to organize all of my files. Anyway, ito yung facade ng hotel paloob. Oh, thank you so much. Yan, diba? Sobrang babait ng ano nila dito. Staff nila dito. As in, palagi lang nakangiti. Nasa ako, sa 6th floor. And nirequest ko talaga na medyo nasa higher floor. Kasi pag nasa medyo lower floor ka, masyadong maridinig yung mga sasakyan sa labas. So, that's why I opted or requested for a higher floor. Ayan. Fit check. Hindi naman ako nagpalit ng damit. Inulit ko lang yung damit ko kanina and then nag-change lang ako to Sandugo sandals. Grabe talaga itong Sandugo sandals ko, guys. Sobrang comfortable. Ito yung usual. Parang almost everyday ko na to sinusuot dun nung nagtutour ako sa Thailand. Ayan. Sobrang busog na busog ako. And here's my room. Ayan. 603. Perfect. Ayan guys, I'm finally back in Akoya or sa hotel. And ayan, matutulog ulit ako kasi hindi straight yung tulog ko since yesterday. And then, doon nakatulog naman ako doon sa van. And then, nakatulog na ako earlier ng mga siguro 2 hours. Pero, syempre, hindi yun straight. And tomorrow, early yung tour ko. 7:30 na naman. And still, half-day tour pa rin siya, guys. But, it's gonna end a little bit earlier than the one that I had today. Kasi, within the city lang naman yung mga itutour namin na places. So, call time is 7:30. Probably pick up at the hotel at 7:30, 7:40 a.m. And then, sabi nung tour guide, it would probably end between 11 a.m. to 11:30. 11 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. yung tour. Kasi nga, Saigon City Tour lang naman siya. So, within Saigon lang, hindi na kami lalabas. Compared dun sa Cuchi Tours or Cuchi Tunnel Tours, medyo outside of Ho Chi Minh na kasi yun, so that's why medyo matagal-tagal. And then nung pauwi na namin from Cuchi, medyo traffic din. So kaya medyo natagalan kami earlier. So that's it. And also pala guys, share ko lang na before you travel in Vietnam, and not just Vietnam, but also when you travel in Thailand, kailangan yung mag-download ng WhatsApp. So, yeah, ito yung logo ng WhatsApp, guys, sa mga hindi familiar. Yung WhatsApp is similar lang siya ng parang Telegram, similar siya ng Line, similar siya ng, ano ba? Kakao, Viber, ganun. Pero, ayun na nga, yung ginagamit nila for tours. Ang gagawin nila is, yung number mo, like yung Philippines number mo, kailangan mo lang i-register. And then, once na register mo na yung own phone number mo and nakapag-create ka na din ng account or profile, whenever you purchase tours or tour packages within the Klook app, especially for countries in Taiwan, or not Taiwan, Thailand, or dito sa Vietnam, kailangan mo talagang kailangan mo talaga i-indicate yung mismong number mo para the day before the tour, magre-reach out yung mga tour operators or yung mismong tour guide for your pick-up, especially kung pick-up mo is yung dun sa hotel. So, it's very important na you are also, you know, checking your WhatsApp every now and then para naman malaman mo if ever na may mag-reach out sa'yo to confirm your book na tours, and then para din may number ka ng tour guide, and also just to check whether or not nandyan na sila sa labas, or if malilate sila. Yun yung parang napansin ko talaga when I was traveling between Thailand and Vietnam. Ayun guys, thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up. And if may mga questions kayo guys, feel free to, you know, drop the comments sa comment section. Again guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Jen Pakkenern here. Like this video and hit the notification bell para naman ma-updated ka sa susunod na gala ni Jen Pakkenern. So ayun guys, see you guys on the next one, or see you guys tomorrow for our half-day Saigon City tour, and then sa hapon naman, didiretso tayo. Hopefully makakain ako ng bangkang kuwa na parang yung broth na noodles. Hopefully tomorrow.